Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and enable bell notification to never miss an update from us.
Hello friend, welcome to Entry App. My name is Akash Shukla, your quantitative aptitude educator for all the banking and insurance exam at Entry App. Before starting the video, if you didn't download the Entry App so far, so भाई Entry App download कर लो, because Entry App आपको provide करा free of cost mock test, सेक्शनल वाइज टेस्ट, टॉपिक वाइज टेस्ट एंड फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट वीडियो लेसन भी, न केवल एसबीआई क्लर्क 2021 के लिए बल्कि सभी बैंकिंग एंड इंश्योरेंस एग्जाम जो भी 2021 में होंगे उन सब के लिए. सो डाउनलोड करो एंट्री ऐप, लिंक जो आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन फील्ड में मिल जाएगा और अपनी फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट प्रिपरेशन अभी स्टार्ट करो. As I've already told you in my previous video कि भाई more than 5,000 aspirants downloaded the entry app in last week and they are giving me the good feedback regarding the content given in the entry app कि sir the content is up to the mark, the high quality content you are given. So I want your feedback also. मेरा WhatsApp नंबर भी डिस्प्ले हो रहा होगा स्क्रीन पर, आप मेरे साथ WhatsApp नंबर पे भी कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं. So let's start the video. So guys, as you all know, there are various speculation regarding SBI Clerk 2021 exam date. Some of the aspirants are saying, sir, SBI Clerk 2021 will get postponed due to the COVID crisis in our country. And some of them are saying, sir, exam will happen on time. And some of them are silent. They are doing their preparation. They know how to crack the exam and what to do for cracking the exam. So guys, I'll be giving my clarification on SBI Clerk 2021 exam date कि when SBI will conduct SBI Clerk 2021 exam. So guys, as you can see, it is also mentioned in the notification कि preliminary exam will be conducted tentatively in the month of June 2021 and main exam will be conducted tentatively on 31st July 2021. But guys, you all know that now the conditions are not up to the mark. Conditions are worse in our country due to the COVID crisis. On daily basis we are getting more than 4 lakh cases. Is it possible to conduct exam in this time? So guys, let me tell you one thing. As per the notification, exam is in June 2021 and right now it is May 2021 and it is highly expected कि in May month only that all the condition will get normal, will heading towards the normal condition. So guys, by the end of the June month you can expect कि जो भी सारी condition है due to the COVID crisis running the country वो क्या है, वो सही होने लगेंगी और सब चीज़ें जो है अपनी ट्रैक पर आ जाएंगी. So we can definitely conduct SBI Clerk 2021 exam by the end of the June month or the starting of the July month. But the question is, अगर जो SBI Clerk 2021 है वो अगर जून एंड में होगा और जुलाई फर्स्ट वीक में होगा, then when we can expect the main examination? So guys, yes, there will be some definitely uncertainty in the SBI Clerk mains exam date. Yes guys, वो थोड़ा सा डेविएट हो सकती है. इफ़ यू टॉक अबाउट द मेंस एग्जाम डेट, जैसे कि एसबीआई ने बोला है कि 31 जुलाई 2021 को मेंस एग्जाम होगा, लेकिन आप ये सोचिए कि केवल 31 जुलाई 2021 जो है एग्जाम डेट मेंस की एसबीआई ने क्यों दी है. सो हियर आई हैव अनदर थिंग टू शो गाइस. यू कैन सी हियर in the IBPS calendar we already have the office assistant and officer scale first preliminary exam date. So according to this calendar, if you see, so 1st August, 7th August, 8th August, 14th August and 21 August, it means all the weekends are busy, all the weekends are scheduled in the August month. So all these IBPS exam will be happening in the August month. But SBI, as far as SBI clerk mains is concerned, so guys, SBI can conduct mains examination in any of the working days in August month only. So guys, now all things are clear regarding the exam date. As far as prelims exam is concerned, so your prelims exam will be conducted by the end of the जून मंथ और द फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ द जुलाई मंथ. इफ़ अगर जो कंडीशन है वो नॉर्मल हो जाती हैं, अगर जो मई है, मई मंथ में जो है इस कोविड का पीक हो जाता है और फिर धीरे धीरे जो है ये कोविड केसेस घटने शुरू हो जाते हैं. तो डेफिनेटली यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट द एग्जाम ऑन दीज 2 वीक्स. सो गाइस, दिस इज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू टेल यू इन दिस वीडियो. एंड हाँ, अगेन मैं आपको एक बात बताना चाहूँगा, इफ यू डिडंट डाउनलोड द एंटी ऐप सो फार, तो भाई एंटी ऐप डाउनलोड कर लो और फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट जो है अपना कंटेंट की प्रैक्टिस करो. हाई क्वालिटी कंटेंट और अप टू द मार्क कंटेंट दिया हुआ है एंट्री ऐप पर. So guys, this is Akash Shukla signing off and good luck for the exam. और हाँ, please like the video and share it with your friend as well. और अगर हमारे चैनल पर न्यू है तो please subscribe our channel also because I'll be coming some updates in the future also. Thank you very much guys.